is my Hess truck. It's a motorcycle. Here, how you turn it on. His head. And it goes in like this. And it opens like this. And it can't do it on the other side. And this truck is a jet. This car is the favorite. And this is a special apartment. It's a it's where Batman says. And Batman gets gas right here. I'm getting gas. Wait for the other bell. Now my gas is done. And I go back to my apartment. And then